Do you want to generate realistic images like this through AI? Today, I'll show you how to achieve it with Rendernet, an incredible versatile app boasting a wide array of models, LoRa's, and many other features. So don't miss out on this guide and check all the information, prompt, and links included in the video description. First, access rendernet.ai and create your account. Select Studio from the sidebar and then choose the model or models you want to work with. There are many, so I encourage you to try them all. In this case, I'm going to choose Night Vision XL, deselect Dream Shaper, this is selected by default, and then activate Dream Shaper XL. I really love both models, but as I told you, feel free to play with the others too. So once we've selected our models, it's the time to write our prompt. It's in the comments, so it's just copy and paste. And there is also a negative prompt, which is what we don't want to appear in the image, and copy and paste again. Now we can choose the aspect ratio of the image, in this case 3:2 ratio, and then you can adapt your prompt to generate different results. Then click in Generate, and we are going to wait a few seconds, and the first images will be available. The results are spectacular in my opinion, so I invite you to try it out and share your experience in the comments. And that's how simple it is. See you in comments. Bye bye.